And welcome into the fastest 2 minutes in auto repair. This is the rundown. Tony, ASTA is coming up this weekend. Give us the details.
Absolutely. One of my favorite trade shows, and even better, it's in my own backyard. We are going to be presenting as Velo 4 different classes. We're going to be talking about AI, EV, shop growth, client success, you name it. Excited to see everybody there this weekend. Kevin, we're just coming out of the summer. What's the post-summer ARO looking like?
You know, it's funny. I just did a presentation last week in a Ratchet and Wrench around DVI and attach rates. We measure that average repair order based on those attach rates, and across Velo, 7,000 plus customers, we've seen that raise above $590. That's the highest I've seen it all year and the highest I've seen it in quite a while. So that's great to see the growth. That certainly affects the drive of business. That certainly affects the way that we view how successful we are with the products. So that's been great to see. How is it looking? Is it similar increases on your side when you're measuring car count?
Yeah, absolutely. The calls are still pouring in, and it's really a product of the shops are remaining aggressive. High AdWord budgets, great SEO, and they're just really making sure they're filling that funnel. So shops really are doing everything they can to drive that business. I know there's an update for Right to Repair. I'd like to get your thoughts on it.
We talked about it last time. Unfortunately, the Right to Repair bill was not accepted into the critical session of Congress this go around. I believe the next acceptance is coming in November, but I got to hand it to all of our colleagues across the aftermarket. There were over 100,000 letters and 10,000 phone calls sourced during that period that a lot of our colleagues were promoting and sourcing the Right to Repair bill. So we're going to keep driving, we're going to keep pushing forward, and you'll certainly see more activity coming from those of us that are in the aftermarket. Thanks everybody for jumping on the rundown. Tony, as always, great to see you and good luck at this weekend's conference.
See you soon.